back, my friends, and happy Thursday. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one has me very excited, so we are just going to dive on in. The cruise company Viking Cruises is hiring a web chat sales consultant. Now, this is nationwide within the United States only, and this is completely online work from home remote. They are also offering a signing and retention bonus of $3,000. So not only do they want someone to hire the right person, but they want that person to stay and make a career with Viking Cruise Lines. So they will give you an extra $3,000. And so they offer a commission guarantee of $1,000 per month for your first 3 months. So if you work there at least 3 months and 90 days, you get the full $3,000. It is paid out $1,000 a month, and it says you have potential to earn more with commission. Now, because this is a sales-based chat job and it is going to offer different kinds of commissions and incentive packages, it says realistic earnings are anywhere between $65,000 a year and up to $95,000 a year. That is base pay plus commission. And you also get benefits and discount packages if you want to take your family on cruises. Now, what you'll be doing, you'll handle inbound sales chats from consumers, identify their needs, make recommendations, and close the sale. So you'll never do any cold calling ever. These are people who are reaching out on the website. They're already interested and they're chatting in the little chat box. Sometimes you will have to pick up the phone and make follow-up outbound calls if you have to overcome objections to close the sale. They are looking for someone who has previous web chat experience, someone who enjoys working from home in a fully virtual environment. Of course, you have to have great written communication skills. That includes grammar, spelling, and punctuation. They want someone who is great with time management and a great multitasker. Now, some other benefits that they offer are paid training, paid time off, 401ks with company matches, and you also get discounts to other places such as theaters, theme parks, movie tickets, all of those things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.